Alright, so got a little Mustang with the pre-collision unavailable. It's got a code for the sensor in the front of the vehicle. And that sensor is right up there. That is the sensor. You can see the plug and the wiring harness right there. Wiring harness is chewed by something. You can't really see it that great. So basically it's got some critter damage. Wire harness is chewed up. That goes to that sensor, so I'm gonna need to do a little wiring repair. It's a bad thing about some of these is rats get in here and chew on shit. Bam, bam, bam.